Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Google Drive add-ons. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Google Drive add-ons. So, with the Google Drive add-ons, if you don't know where are the add-ons at, it will be located at your right side corner in the sidebar. This is very helpful when you are doing something to your files and you want add-ons to help you make your files more easier to do or access or maybe change. So the first thing you need to do is click on the plus icon to get add-ons. After clicking on that, there you go. You may allow to choose which anything add-ons here. Or you can search the add-on that you want. For example, let's try GPT for slides, docs, and sheets. There you go. GPT for slide, docs, and sheets. Let's click on that. And let's click on install. Then continue. And it's now. There you go. Continue. Then allow. And there you go. It's downloading an add-on to my sidebar on the right in Google Drive. There you go. You can see you have successfully installed a Google Workspace add-on. Then click next. Then additional setup. GPT for slide document sheet requires additional setup before you can start using it. Recommend that you complete the setup now. Complete additional setup. If you want to do it, you can do it, but now we're just gonna do it. Complete additional setup. You can see we need to sign in here in GPT workspace. So we can have a GPT workspace and go. You see? But some apps doesn't need you to sign in like this, the GPT workspace. Okay, there you go. And done. There you go. As you can see, in my right side corner, you will see the GPT workspace was installed. There you go, guys. As you can see right there. Just click it and it will now work. There you go. And you can add as many as you want. Just click and then add another one. For example, let's add this one too. Install, continue, continue, and continue, and continue. There you go, guys. It's now loading. And then click done. And click X. And as you can see right now, oh, it's not here. I don't know why. Example, if you don't see it right here and you're having a problem to find it, just click on the plus icon and after that click on the settings on the top right and click on manage apps. After clicking on manage apps, you will see right here are all the add-ons that you have downloaded. As you can see, it's not here. So I just want to delete it. So just click on the three what they call this? Three dots. Then click uninstall. And to uninstall the GPT workspace, you just do the same thing. Click on that and then click uninstall. And click on install up and there you go. The GPT has now been deleted. And a quick tip for you guys, when you're here, you can also pop this out. What I mean by just click on this, pop it out, and it will launch and it will have its own what do you call this place or own tab right here. And it makes you more easier to find what you're finding and looking for, and it looks more nicer than what is this right here. So yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And not everything here is free, but find what you need and what you want. So there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.